Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Paysera application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the settings button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the settings section and click on the second option, which is notifications. Now you should allow notifications by tapping on this blue button down below. Click on allow to enable the app to have access to your notifications. So here you can set notifications about incoming transfers. Tap on it and here you can select these options. The same for outgoing ones, and you can use private notifications which won't show the sender and the amount. Here you can set general notifications about money requests, sign up groups, and confirmation requests. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.